Hi there. I'm happy to announce that I've completed the work as requested. So I've added two filters over here. I thought you would also like usage status filter, so you can select what you want from here. And this is the type filter that you originally asked. So let's say I want to select only the camera and do OK. So it will show you only the cameras. And then you can select all to show all. Then you can do only, say for example, camera support. That will show you only the camera support. So it's really cool. I mean, the filter it works on this tab itself, so it's not deleting the rows, it's just showing you what you want. So I hope you like this one. Now also the usage status, I'll come back to this one because right now there is only available rows. Once we have in use rows, then I'll show you this one. So let's go to other tabs like the user tab. If you add something over here, then it is automatically formatted uh, into alternate rows. Okay, and if you don't want that, then you can just delete those rows. Okay, and then this is the usage log. I'll come back to it later. This is the types. You can add as many types as you want. And this is the tab that shows the rented thing, and this is refreshes automatically, and it is only for view purposes, so you are not supposed to edit it over here. If you need to edit anything, you edit it in the usage log. Now let me show you how the check-in and checkout works. I have created this button as requested, and once you click on this, it will show you the sidebar. Now this is the action, so choose action what you want. So let's say I say check-in. Okay, and then I select a barcode, this one, and then I go to user. You see the item name is automatically populated from the barcode. It automatically shows the item name for your convenience. Then I can select any user I want, right? And I can add a remark or I can leave it empty. Now see, this is checking in this barcode, but it is already there, it is already available, this DZI Phantom 4. So this is already available, means it is already in stock. So right now if you do submit, it will show you an error, item status is available, right? So if item status is available, you cannot check it in. Now let's do checkout and say Mariam rented DJI. Okay, and then I'll hit submit. Once I do that, then you will see successfully added to usage log. So this data will be automatically added, and this will automatically be refreshed. So it fetches the item number, it adds the timestamp, it does it as a checkout. So Marian rented DZI. Now let's say I want to do check-in, and again the same barcode, and this time purposefully let me allow me to leave the user blank, right? And then I'll enter my returned DJI, and then I'll click on submit. Now what I want to show you is that I've added uh, this custom validation, so you cannot make a mistake. So user is blank, you have to enter a user before continuing. Similarly, if I remove the barcode and I hit on submit, then it will show me that the barcode is blank and the user is blank, right? So it will show you those errors. Now if I want, I can add, and then it will select mine, and then I'll click on submit. successfully added to users log. So now you see this row is automatically added to our users log, and this is refreshed. So this is really cool. I mean, I have done all the testing and validation. You can just check it out, play with it. I hope you like it. Now that was one way of adding the check-in and checkout, and also there is a reset button right here. So if you reset it, this resets. Oh, and also I want to show you, like, let me do a checkout for the same barcode again. Let's say Marianne rented this one again. So you see right now the item status is available. We did not discuss this, but still I went ahead and implemented this feature because I thought it would be necessary. So once I hit on submit, it automatically changes this item to in use. And also you can see in the rented tab, this item is automatically appearing over here. Now let's say I add a remark over here, second time, and you can see in the rented it will automatically be reflected. So it will automatically appear in the rented tab, whatever remarks you put. And so this is not for editing, right? Now let me show you another way of how you can check in and check out, and this is really cool. I hope you like it. So what you can do is you can select a barcode from here. So let's say I select this one. Now this is a tripod, so you can see automatically it will add a new row with a tripod, and because it is available, it will automatically mark this as checkout, just being smart. So tripod number 2, it is automatically marked as in use, and then you can select a user and enter the remarks, and that is automatically reflected over here. It appears in the rented tab automatically. So however, I think it is better to do it with the sidebar, because this is not so error prone. This system is a bit error prone if you are doing it directly on the spreadsheet. Now another thing I wanted to highlight was that I'm adding the new rows at the top and pushing the older rows towards the bottom. This is a preferred way because this is a logbook. You don't want the old records to be on top and then scroll through everything. So always adding the new ones at the top, and whenever you select this barcode, or if you enter it through this form, it always leaves the first row blank automatically, so that you can enter a new row over here. So now why this is error prone is because like it automatically updates the usage status over here. So for example, if you selected, if this was the wrong barcode and if you want to change that, then it does not update this usage status, right? So if you are confident in making the right selection from here, then you should use this. Otherwise, this one is less error prone, so it's better to use this. Less mistakes will happen if you use this one. Alright, so also the rented tab is automatically updated. I've already shown you that. Now okay, the in use, as we discussed, I want to show you this one. Now let's say I just want to see the in use ones, so I can do that, right? Or if I can if I just want to see only those that are available, I can do that too, right? So I added this as a bonus for you. I've really worked on this spreadsheet as if it was my own, so I hope you like everything. Let me know how you find this. So you can select the client name and add any remark over here, and that is automatically carried over here, so you don't need to do anything. Now this one just shows you the rented. Now let's say this DJI Phantom, right? So let's say this DJI Phantom is 378262, right? 378262, right? DJI Phantom. So it is automatically marked as checked in, meaning you received it, and it automatically disappears from the rented tab.